Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Elite English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophie.
Hello, Sophie. Hello, everyone. It is great to be here today.
You look happy this morning, James.
I am happy. I bought a new pair of shoes yesterday. Big win for me.
Ooh, nice. Did you use English to buy them?
I did, actually. Well, mostly pointing and smiling, but also some English.
Pointing and smiling, a classic beginner strategy.
Hey, it works, but I want to get better at it.
Well, good news, because today we have a really practical topic for you.
Oh, really? What is it?
Shopping. Clothes, groceries, and returns.
Perfect timing, honestly, after my shoe adventure yesterday.
I bet. But first, before we start,
Ah, yes, our little reminder.
if you're enjoying Elite English Channel, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
It really helps us, and it helps more people find easy, fun English lessons like this one.
Okay, now let's get into it. Today's topic is English phrases for shopping.
This is something we all do, no matter where we live.
Exactly. Shopping is a daily part of life, so it's super important to feel comfortable doing it in English.
Totally agree. So where should we start?
Let's start with clothes shopping. This is where a lot of people feel nervous, especially with sizes.
Oh yes, sizes are so confusing. Small, medium, large, and then every country has different numbers too.
Exactly. So the first useful phrase is, do you have this in a medium? Or do you have this in a bigger size?
Simple and clear. What if we don't know our size in that country?
Good question. You can say, what size do you think I am? Or ask the worker, could you help me find my size?
That's smart. I usually just guess and hope for the best.
That explains a few of your shirts, James.
Hey, don't judge my shirts.
Okay. What about trying clothes on?
Right, this happens all the time. What do we say?
You can ask, can I try this on? And the worker might say, sure, the fitting room is over there.
Wait, fitting room? What's that exactly?
A fitting room is a small private room in the store where you try on clothes before buying them.
Ah, I see. We sometimes call that a changing room too, right?
Yes, exactly. Both words mean the same thing.
Good to know. And what if the clothes don't fit well?
You can say, this is too tight, or this is too loose, or this doesn't fit me well.
Those are useful. I always say things fit weird, but now I have real words for it.
Fit weird is not very professional, James.
Fair enough. Okay, so if you are still listening, comment the word shopping in the comments below.
Yes, let us know you're learning with us today. Okay, so we have clothes shopping phrases. What's next?
Groceries. This is one I actually do a lot since, well, someone has to feed Max.
True, your dog needs snacks too.
Exactly. So what phrases do we need at the grocery store?
You might ask, excuse me, where can I find the milk? Or do you have any fresh bread today?
Those are basic but so useful. What about asking about prices?
You can say, how much is this? Or is this on sale?
Oh, on sale. That means the price is lower than usual, right? Like a discount?
Exactly. On sale means the item is cheaper than usual for a limited time.
Got it. I love finding things on sale. It feels like winning a small prize.
Same here, honestly, especially with coffee.
Of course, coffee. Always coffee with you.
Guilty. Okay, what if we can't find something in the store?
Good question. What do we say then?
You can ask, do you have this in stock? That means, do you have this item available right now?
Ah, I see. Sometimes stores are out of stock, meaning they don't have it.
Exactly. Perfect example.
This happens to all of us, going to the store for one thing and it's just not there.
So true. So we have clothes phrases and grocery phrases. What's our last point?
Returns. This is the tricky one for me. I always feel nervous returning things.
Why is that?
I don't know. I feel like I'm bothering people, but sometimes things really don't work or they're the wrong size.
That's completely normal. Many of you probably feel this too, but returning items is totally normal and stores expect it.
Okay, good to know. So what do we say?
You can say, I'd like to return this, please, or I'd like to exchange this for a different size.
Wait, what's the difference between return and exchange?
Good question. Return means you give the item back and get your money back. Exchange means you give the item back but get a different item instead.
Ah, I see. So if my shirt is too small, I exchange it for a bigger one.
Exactly right.
And if I just don't like it anymore, I return it for my money.
Perfect understanding.
What if the store asks for proof that I bought it there?
Good point. They might ask, do you have your receipt? A receipt is the small paper that shows what you bought and when.
Right. I always lose those, along with my keys.
James and small pieces of paper, not a good combination.
You're not wrong. Okay, so what other phrases help with returns?
The worker might say, what seems to be the problem with the item? Or would you like a refund or an exchange?
And we can say, it doesn't fit, or it's damaged, or I changed my mind.
Exactly. All very natural and polite.
Everyone listening, this is for you if shopping in English makes you nervous.
Absolutely. Okay, let's put everything together now with a full role play.
Yes, let's do it. I'll be the customer and you be the store worker.
Perfect. Here we go. Hi, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a jacket. Do you have this one in a medium?
Let me check. Yes, we have a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
It's right over there on the left.
Thank you. Okay, I think this is too tight. Do you have a large?
Let me check. I'm sorry, we're actually out of stock in large right now.
Oh, that's too bad. Is it on sale at least?
Yes, actually, it is 20% off today.
Great. Well, I'll come back another time then. Actually, wait. I also need to return this shirt I bought last week.
Sure, no problem. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What seems to be the problem with it?
It doesn't fit me well. It's a bit too loose.
Would you like a refund or would you like to exchange it for a smaller size?
I'll exchange it, please, for a small.
Perfect. Let me get that for you right away.
That was so smooth. I feel like a shopping expert now.
You really did great. See, shopping in English doesn't have to be scary.
Not at all. I feel much more confident now, honestly.
That's exactly the goal. So we have clothes phrases, grocery phrases, and return phrases. That's everything, right?
I believe so. This was such a useful episode.
It really was. Shopping is something we all do so often, so this episode will help so many of you.
Absolutely. And remember, it's totally okay to ask for help in a store. Workers expect questions.
Exactly. Don't be shy. Okay, let's do a quick review before we go. So we talked about clothes shopping first. Phrases like, can I try this on? And words like fitting room.
Yes, and don't forget too tight and too loose for describing how clothes fit.
Right. Then we covered grocery shopping, like, is this on sale and do you have this in stock?
And out of stock means they don't have it right now.
Exactly. And finally, we talked about returns, like, I'd like to return this versus I'd like to exchange this.
And don't forget your receipt. Unlike me, please don't lose it.
A perfect summary. I think our listeners are ready for their next shopping trip now.
I really think so too. Shopping with confidence in English makes daily life so much easier.
It really does. And remember, mistakes are okay. Even pointing and smiling worked for James once.
It's a legitimate strategy, Sophie.
Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you for spending this time with us. We really appreciate it.
Don't forget to subscribe to Elite English channel, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
It really helps us keep making these free lessons for everyone.
And here's our question for you today. Tell us in the comments, what's something you recently bought, and can you describe it using a phrase from today?
We love reading your answers, so don't be shy.
Thank you again, everyone. This was Sophie.
And James.
From Elite English Channel. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Happy shopping.